Japan is not just Tokyo, so after spending 2 days in Tokyo, it's time to start exploring other areas in Japan. First we need to get to Shinagawa station, cause that's where we can catch a Shinkansen bullet train. It's very easy to find everything in Japan. There are lines on the floor which you can follow, and other directions everywhere. Our first destination with the Shinkansen is Mishima. Our plan is to visit Mishima skywalk and maybe see Fuji mountain if it's not too cloudy. Turns out the pass to Mishima skywalk accepts a JR pass, which I only discovered on the way back. The scenery is changing as we leave the city. It's definitely not Tokyo anymore. Mishima skywalk was opened in 2015. It is possible to see Mount Fuji from the bridge, ride a zipline and do other activities. Mishima skywalk is 400 meters long and it's the longest footbridge in Japan. Fuji mountain is the one on the right. Clouds are covering a part of it. It seems like you can even see the summit if you look really close. It's time to jump back on a bus and go back to Mishima. We will take Shinkansen again to exit at the next stop, which is Shin Fuji station. In Fuji city, the plan is to walk to Fuji station, where we take a local train to Fujinomiya. Our JR pass is still valid on this train. We managed to find the right bus with the help of a few locals and a monk who is taking the same bus. We are getting closer to Fuji mountain now. After leaving the bus, it's time to hurry to our last destination before it's too dark, or we won't be able to see much. Shiraito falls are around 150 meters wide, and the water drops from a height of 20 meters. All the water comes from Fuji mountain. It has been protected since 1936 as a Japanese natural monument. There is another waterfall, Fujinomiya Falls, which drops from 25 meters. Fuji mountain is very close, but covered in clouds. It has become really dark, and it's time to return to Fuji and continue our journey. There's not much going on after dark in Fuji city. We're checking out the local supermarket to grab a few things before we jump on a Shinkansen again. Shinkansen is almost empty at this time. We need to travel just one stop again to Shizuoka and then take a local train to get to our hotel. We have finally reached Shimada and our hotel. There is a reason we are staying here. It will be much easier to start our journey tomorrow from this location.